We are looking at how to pronounce this word in English. This is both the name of a tree-like cactus species as well as the name of a national park in Arizona, United States. But how do you go about saying it? You must know that you can virtually, to pronounce it, replace the letters GU in the center of the word by a W. It'll make your life way better, way easier. Saguaro. Yes, there is a W sound in the middle. Saguaro. Pretty straightforward once you know. Saguaro Cactus and Saguaro National Park. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names and words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.